Anthony from Learning to Play the Guitar. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song These Days by Powderfinger. Okay, this song by Powderfinger starts off with a synth intro or keyboard intro, and so basically you can play those notes on the guitar if you like. So very simple minimalist sort of sound based just around the root notes of the chords A. So I'm going to basically play an A string, I'm going to fret to A down there on the G string, then the F sharp minor is the next chord, but I'm just going to play F sharp fret 2 note there, the octave F sharp, which is that other F sharp there, 4th fret on the D string, E string, 6th string there, and number 2 E there. Then I'm going to hit it just a D. So really simple stuff. So I'll play that without talking so much. A, 3, 4, F sharp, 3, 4, E, 3, 4, D. Yep, cool. So that goes around a few times, and then after, I think there's 2 of those. The third one, we'll start again with the same thing, simple A's, F sharps, E, then we have the little cool arpeggio part, which is a D major chord, one of those, and we're going to go on these strings following that tab here, down, down, up, up, and then D minor, which is this shape, and down, down, up, up, and then we're into sort of we're into the chorus, which is based around the chords of A, E, F sharp minor, D, E. And so the basic strumming pattern you can do for this chord sequence in the chorus, these days, etc., is just basically 8th notes straight down strumming. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and E and 4, F sharp, B, and we'll do that again as it does repeat. A and E and F sharp and D and E. So that part's pretty easy. There's a complementary part you can also play based on the same chords. So a little arpeggio thing, which is going to be A, which is that idea. So we're skipping the D string, E skipping the A string, F sharp skipping the same string, which is the A string, so I'm not hitting that guy. Just based on the basic chord shapes. D, 3 together. And on the end we've got regular E chord, and we're going to pluck the D string, G string, and up on the bottom too. And that happens twice. So all together, following the tab, this sounds like this. F sharp, D, E. Go along with someone else playing straight strumming chords, which is quite cool. So then the other bit of the song to worry about is the verse. Similar chords, actually same chords, different order. So the verse chords in their order are A, F sharp minor, E, and D. So I've got a little rhythm here, which would be down, down, up, down, 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 F sharp, down, down, up, down, 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 E, same stuff, and D. That can go round and round, so here it goes without stopping. So that's not too crazy. The very last one of these, basically it's the same as the intro, but with strumming, of course. After the E, you add that little D arpeggio thing for D major, D minor, taking you to the chorus, which is A, etc., as we did before. So the only other bit of the song that is different is the bridge. So after the, according to my sheet, the second chorus, if I'm correct, there's, after we're sitting on the these days, F sharp minor, D and E, so there's a bunch of that going round and round, so the last E might be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then E7, lose a finger, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and into the bridge, which is B minor, another fun bar chord there, D, A, E, and that goes around twice with all down strums again, half bars, so it'd be 1 and 2 and D, A, and E, and that goes back to B again, so second round, same stuff, A, E, and then after that we have the D minor happening again, but we're going to do a whole bar of each down strumming D, which is the verse, just minimalist guitar or keyboards on the track normally, I think, E and D, etc., and then back to the chorus to jam out on the end. So that's all the parts. So the song isn't too complicated, but there's a few little things to watch out for, especially bar chords F sharp minor and B minor if you haven't played many bar chords before. Subscribe to the Learning to Play the Guitar YouTube channel for more lessons, and don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications when I upload a new video. You can also check out my books and more guitar lessons at learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.